Good afternoon, tribe. My name is Darius Lester, your financial philosopher, and this is Mammoth Money Mindset. And this will be episode, I don't know, of Start Anyway, the Turo edition. I was going to make this episode about the insurance, right? How to protect your car, how to deal with insurance, how to get it fixed, how you go about recouping the money that you lost from a damaged vehicle. But if you see, I'm in my garage because I now have a child who is upstairs in my space that I normally record in. He's being very loud. So this garage was the only place I could find that was quiet enough to record a video. So instead of going over the different insurance plans, we're gonna go over other types of vehicle safety. So one, you know what? I'm gonna teach y'all what you should do, not what I actually do, because that's better. So what you should do is if your car does not already have some sort of GPS tracker installed, jump on Amazon, go buy one. They got tons of them. They normally run you about, I don't know, $40 to $80, depending on what brand you get. And a lot of them are subscription based, but you'll be able to track your vehicle from your phone. So in the event that anyone steals your vehicle, you can go find it. Other safety things. So when I first started, I used to meet with every single person that comes to pick up my car, build rapport with them. Hey, I'm Darius. Nice to meet you. Who are you? What do you do? What do you plan on doing with the car? So on and so forth. Not in an investigative manner, but in a friendly manner, right? I'm decently friendly. But that gets old quick, having to physically hand off the key to whomever wants to drive your car. So what I started doing was I went and bought these lock boxes that you can hang off your window. You can put a key inside of the box and you can set a PIN code for it. You change the PIN code whenever you want. I guess I would highly recommend that you change the PIN code after each guess. Do I do that myself? No. But it makes sense to do it. I haven't done it. No one's come back to steal my vehicle. Thank you, Lord. But that is what you should do. If you do go that route, change the passcode. If you don't do it every person, maybe just do it every month, something. But those are very handy because that allows me to prep the car, make sure it's clean, make sure it's gassed up and ready. And then I can just put the key in the box. I can go to work. I don't have to worry about trying to speed back during lunch or anything like that, or take off when my boss isn't looking to try to rent the vehicle out. They can pick it up whenever they want. Doesn't matter to me if they show up early, doesn't matter if they show up late. It's already there with the key next to it. And then I just request that they put it back the way they found it whenever they return the vehicle. So also, whenever they bring it back, I don't have to wake up from my nap. They just bring it back, put it back in the lockbox, they lock it. Whenever I wake up, I'll go out there and check to make sure the car's still in one piece. What else? Honestly, that might be it. I really don't do anything else too crazy. I did get a security system for my house because that's where I do the car rental thing at. So I have a camera that overlooks my driveway so I can actually see when people pick up and drop off my vehicle. I think that's helpful just in case something does happen. I'll have, video evidence. It's up to you if you want to do that. I got Vivint. I was actually like working kind of sort of for them. So I got a little special deal on it. So it made a lot of sense for me to go ahead and get that whole system and the camera because it just worked out monetarily for myself. But it's just a thought. It's another peace of mind thing when you actually, if you do want to do all the contactless drop-offs, it's nice to just be able to, see the people. Speaking of that, kill switch. That's something everybody recommends that you get. Did I do it? No, but you should, right? If your car doesn't already have one built in, kill switch, you get it, you hook it up, just look up a YouTube video, hook it up underneath the hood of your car. So if someone decides to steal your car, it's been too many hours or too many days since they were supposed to bring it back and they never brought it back, boop, hit the kill switch, shuts the car off, makes it a lot easier for you or the authorities to go and pick it up, as opposed to someone continuing to drive to another state with your vehicle. Have I ever had my car stolen? Nope, not once. I've had some people have it longer than I would prefer they did, but that was just for random reasons. Some people are terrible with timing, so they bring it back hours later, a day later, and then like, ooh, I meant to tell you I was gonna keep it another day. It's fine. Don't freak out. Don't stress out. Ain't no reason to bite nobody's head off. Like, thank you very much. Key back. They're going about their business. After they leave, then you report into Turo, hey, this person brought this back a day, 12 hours and 36 minutes late. And Turo will be like, bet. And they will charge them for that excessive time that they took. So you're good. And I guess while I'm on this, since this will be a short-ish video, other things. If they bring it back and it doesn't have gas in it, you can charge them. You go fill up your car, take a picture of the gas receipt, be like, boom, this is how much, it costs to fill up whatever amount of gas they did not fill up, and Turo will charge them, and they'll add an extra $10 on top just for inconveniencing you by making you put gas in your own car. They go over mileage. True story. I live in Alabama. Somebody drove my car to New York and back. Don't know, some lady, and she did it in like three or 4 days. Crazy. So you can set mileage limits on your vehicle. She went all the way up there, came all the way back. By the amount that she went over in mileage, and I'm talking like over 1,000, right? She ended up paying me more for reimbursing me for the miles than she paid for the entire trip, like the entire 4 days of renting it. So it would have made infinitely more sense for her just to rent it for a whole week or something to let the mileage actually, get up to that level. But whatever. I guess she thought she was going to get over. Nope. I report everything, every dollar that goes over. I used to have a really soft heart and I didn't do it, but honestly, that'll hurt your business. You don't have a reason to not charge people for stuff that they intentionally did. They intentionally tried to get over. You're not doing anything evil. You're just taking what was written in y'all's contract that you're supposed to take. Yeah, really that's about it. I don't know if you want to get air fresheners, you can do that. I got a little hand vacuum for whenever I don't want to go out to somewhere else to try to clean out the car. Yep, that's it. Next video will be about all the insurance, the different splits they have, how they benefit, how they don't, what splits I use. I started with the 75. I'll tell you about why I did that, and I'll tell you what I use now. If you have any questions about that stuff, let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure to add it to the next video. Again, thank you for watching. My name is Darius Lester, your financial philosopher, and this is Mammoth Money Mindset. Have a good night.